comes to the building, okay, to the building. And of course, when you speak about building, the word about this one, that is not anymore the department of the DPWH that's going to manage,
as it is at its sharpest. And that's also the time where their brain architecture will be shaped or formed. So it would mean if they get early in school, they will be receiving early intervention. They will be receiving early instruction, and they will definitely benefit from it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Is slow. However, it is the certainty that we really gain each year. In fact, majority of our